Hello guys, welcome to my small YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to unbox this parcel that I have received. This is the parcel that I purchased online. This is a diorama and I purchased it from Pop-Up Garage. This is 2 pieces diorama. Before I purchased this, I am looking for a Ford diorama, any kind of Ford diorama and Honda diorama, but by the time that I'm searching or looking for diorama, Pop-Up Garage store, they don't have any Ford diorama, but they have Honda showroom diorama. And since they don't have any Ford diorama, I get the Honda showroom diorama and I decided to get another one, different car brand diorama, and I get the Mercedes-Benz showroom diorama. And this is it, Honda and Mercedes-Benz showroom diorama. I found the Ford diorama in eBay, but it's too expensive, so I didn't purchase, or I didn't buy it because yeah, it's too expensive. And yeah, we're gonna unbox this. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. We have scissors. Let's start the unboxing. Again guys, I purchased this diorama from Pop-Up Garage. Nice packaging. It has a bubble wrap and it's really secured. Look at the, what you call this, packaging tape. They put a lot. Look at that. There's a bubble wrap on it, and as you can see, it is 2 pieces of box, because I ordered 2 different diorama, which is the Honda showroom and Mercedes-Benz showroom. So here's the box. More art. I don't know which is the Honda and the Mercedes-Benz because they are the same box. So let's start this one. Let's open this one first. So here's the instruction how to how to build it or how to assemble it. And this is the Honda lighting scene of Honda 4S store car showroom. Here there's a instruction how to assemble it. And let's have a look. Another bubble wrap. Hey, Honda. Hopefully there's no damage on it or any missing piece. Oh, there's a light on it. LED light. It needs a 2 pieces of AA battery. So I think this is the roof, and this is the wall, I think. Yes, it is, because this is the base or the floor. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, nice. It's acrylic. What is this one? I think this is the door. Another door, and this is the front. I'm not sure if this is the wall at the back. Let's find out. And this is the other piece, which is a signage. Formula 1 team, Aramco, Cognizant. Nice. Honda emblem, and then a badge, Honda, and then a reflectorized warning signage. So let's set aside this one first, and we're gonna open the other one, the Mercedes-Benz. So this is the other one, the Mercedes-Benz car showroom, Diorama. Another instruction manual, Mercedes-Benz 4S dealership car showroom. And here's the instruction. We're gonna follow it when we're gonna assemble it. And again, it has bubble wrap, so it's really secured. Nice. Look at that. Oh, Mercedes-Benz. Hopefully Pop-Up Garage will make a Ford car dealership showroom diorama, because I'm planning to put my Ford Mustang collection in that diorama. Hopefully they will make Ford diorama. Here's the small piece with the logo Mercedes-Benz. Oh, what is this for? This is the reflectorized warning signage. Gonna put it back. And another Mercedes-Benz badge. This is the front. I think this is the side wall, and here's the background. Nice. And here's the roof, and here's the, I think this is the base, and here's the another base. Parking slot 1 2 3 4 5 6 parking slot. So we're gonna assemble it. I'm gonna do the Mercedes-Benz first. I'm gonna read first the instruction on how to assemble it. So there's a 2 base. I thought only 1 base. So this is how it looks like when we finish to assemble it. So guys, we are done in this Mercedes-Benz car showroom. And here's how it looks like. And there's a 1 spare of this reflectorized warning signage. So yeah, that's how it looks like. But this one, I'm not sure where should I put this one, because it's not indicated in the instruction where to put this one. If I'm gonna put this one in here, not good. but I think it's better to put in here the front, because there's already a Mercedes-Benz in here. I'm not sure if it's visible to the video. There's a Mercedes-Benz written in here, so I figured it out. You need to stick it in here. That's why there's a Mercedes-Benz in here. So this one will gonna stick in here. It's just what you call this pattern. Okay, so we're gonna stick it.
A few moments later.
So here it is, guys. We're done to our Mercedes-Benz car showroom diorama. We already stick this badge, Mercedes-Benz, and yeah, we have a spare reflectorized warning signage, maybe just in case we misplace one piece. They put one spare just in case. And I don't have a double A battery at the moment, so we can turn on the light, but I'm gonna show you the inside. So that's how it looks like. I need to buy double A battery to light up this one. Nice, beautiful diorama. And now we're gonna try to put some diecast car on it. We're gonna get this one, because this one is a Mercedes-Benz A-Class 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. I really like the casting of Hot Wheels Mercedes-Benz diecast car, because as you can see, there's an emblem, number plate, and the taillight is detailed, and there's also a reflectorize. Even at the front it is detailed. There's an emblem, badge, number plate, and even the headlight is detailed. So we're gonna put this one in here. There you go. And we have here a 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, a silver one. Look at the detail at the back. There's a number plate, emblem, badge, and the taillight is detailed, and there's also a exhaust detail. At the front, there's a headlight, signal light, indicator light, and the emblem, but there's no number plate on it at the front. So we're gonna put this one in here. And we have here another 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, black one. Same with this one, but different color. Yeah, look at that detail at the back. So we're gonna put this one in here. That's the only Mercedes-Benz diecast cars that I lose so far. but we still have other mainline cars that we didn't lose yet. We haven't opened it yet. Mercedes-Benz 500E and another 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Same with these two diecast car, but different color. A blue one. Yeah, I'm gonna lose this, but not now because we still need to assemble the Honda Diorama. So that's how it looks like, our Mercedes-Benz car showroom diorama, guys. What do you think about it? Comment down below, guys. So now we're moving on to our Honda Diorama, car showroom diorama. So guys, we are almost done to our Honda car showroom diorama, and there's also a spare of this warning signage, but look at that, it has a damage. See this? The other end is broken. Good thing is they put one piece spare, and this will be the spare, which is the one that is broken. And this one, the emblem, look at that, there's a stain on it. This one should be sticking here, but there's a stain on it, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this one or stick it. Maybe I'm gonna leave that one as it is. And this is the other emblem and the badge Honda that we're gonna stick in here. Actually, even if we don't stick this one, it looks nice also already. Same color also, red. So if we're gonna stick this one, it looks like this. I think I'm gonna keep this. I'm not gonna stick it. These ones look good already. Or maybe I'm gonna stick it. What do you think, guys? Stick it or not? So guys, I ended up stick it in those emblem and the badge Honda, and look at this emblem. Before there's a stain on it, but it's only in the plastic. There's a plastic stick in this emblem before, and then when I remove it, the stain gone. So that's how it looks like. This is the front, so we're gonna install it. Oh, what happened? What happened? This one. See? It's not aligned. So you need to raise a bit. This one. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, we can't still lighting up because we don't have the AA battery. And that's it, we're done. This is our Honda car show, or I mean car show diorama. Nice. And now we're gonna put Diecast Car on it. We have some loose Diecast Car Honda. Here, they are all Civic. Oh no, there's a one City, Honda City. This one, the treasure hunt, regular treasure hunt, Honda City Turbo. We still have some Honda Diecast Car Hot Wheels that we didn't open yet. We're gonna fill this up. Also, we're gonna put inside some Diecast Car, and we're gonna lighting up later on. We're gonna buy AA battery. So yeah, that's how it looks like. And again, this is the spare, the broken one. So here it is, guys. We're done assembling our two diorama, a Honda and the Mercedes-Benz car showroom diorama, and we put some Diecast Car on it. So what do you think about it, guys? Comment down below. Mercedes-Benz, Honda. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet and you are interested in this kind of video content, Diecast Car collection, Diecast Car hunting, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for you to get notified every time I posted new video in this channel. Again, thank you so much. Happy hunting to everyone and see you in the next one. Bye!
Sorry ass DJ.